Warren Buffett is one of the richest investors in history. But did you know he has a weird daily habit that he swears by? It's not stock analysis. It's not watching market trends. It's something so simple that most people completely overlook it. I decided to follow this strange habit for a month. And somehow, I doubled my returns. What is it? And how did it actually make me a better investor? Let's dive in. I've always admired Warren Buffett. He's been consistently beating the market for decades. But when I started digging into his personal habits, I found something surprising. Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Not trading, not making quick moves, just reading. He's even said, "I just sit in my office and read all day." So, I decided to test it out myself. For 1 month, I committed to reading at least 500 pages a day, Buffett's personal goal, avoiding news and short-term market noise, studying books, reports, and past market data instead. At first, it felt boring. But then, something weird started happening. Normally, I'd check my portfolio daily. I'd stress about price swings. I'd get tempted to buy or sell based on headlines. But now, I wasn't even looking at the market. Instead, I was reading Buffett's old shareholder letters, investment books like The Intelligent Investor, case studies on companies from decades ago, and without realizing it, I was learning to think like Buffett. By week 3, something clicked. Instead of reacting to the market, I started seeing patterns. Instead of chasing hot stocks, I focused on long-term value. And when I finally checked my portfolio, the results were shocking. I had made fewer trades than usual, but my returns had nearly doubled. Why? Because I avoided panic selling during dips. I didn't get distracted by short-term news. I focused on high-quality companies, just like Buffett does. This experiment completely changed how I invest. Buffett's weird habit, reading, not reacting, helped me make smarter, long-term decisions, stop overtrading and losing money on bad moves, identify truly great businesses. It turns out, most investing mistakes come from reacting too quickly. The real edge? Patience and knowledge. Buffett doesn't rush. He studies. And when he does make a move, it's backed by years of insight. So, what's the takeaway? Most people think great investing is about speed, jumping in and out of stocks. But Buffett proves that it's actually about patience and knowledge. So, if you want to invest like the greatest investor of all time, start by doing what he does. Read more, trade less. If you found this interesting, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the best investing book you've ever read?